Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you all guys Jarvis. I've upgraded it a lot, so I wanted to show you guys. So the Windows is booting. So let's just wait. So guys, as you can see now, it has booted successfully. So so I'll just close the Discord. The Discord will open. So Jarvis program has executed, guys. So it'll automatically now program will execute. So just close Discord so it opens. So as you can see, Discord has opened, so I'm just closing it. So I'm not touching anything, guys.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence, and I'm here to assist you with a variety of tasks as best I can, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Importing all preferences from home interface. Systems are now fully operational.
So this is Jarvis, guys. So it's saying good morning, Jarvis. What's the time?
Sir, the time is 13 hours 35 minutes and 14 seconds.
Search for Apple.
Searching in Google, sir.
So it's searching in Google for Apple. So it's searching for Apple. Google. So I'll just drag the window over here. So open my YouTube channel. Open my channel.
Opening your channel, sir.
So it's opening my YouTube channel, as you all can see. Let's open Prime. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. So this is my channel. Open Amazon Prime.
Opening Amazon, sir.
Okay, it has taken Amazon, so it's opening Amazon. So as you can see, it's opening Amazon. Open Prime. Open Prime. Open Prime. So the mic is not able to recognize because my mic is not so good. Open Prime.
Opening Amazon Prime Video, sir.
So it's opening Amazon Prime Videos. Open Hotstar.
Opening Hotstar, sir.
So it's opening Hotstar. Search
Opening
in
Hotstar, sir.
YouTube for Iron Man. Search in YouTube for Iron Man. Search in YouTube for Iron Man.
Searching in YouTube, sir.
So it's searching in YouTube for Iron Man. I'll show you guys. So as you all can see, a lot of Iron Man videos. So this is my Jarvis upgrade, guys. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.